Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am very happy you're here today. In this video, we will learn English slowly and clearly. Our topic is a day at the supermarket. If you want to improve your listening and learn daily English, this video is perfect for you. So relax, listen carefully, and let's start. Today, I want to tell you about my day at the supermarket. I usually go to the supermarket in the morning. I take my bag and my shopping list, and I walk to the supermarket near my home. The weather is nice, and I feel happy. When I arrive, I see many people. Some people have shopping carts, and some have baskets. I take a shopping cart because I have many things to buy. First, I go to the fruit section. I see apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, and watermelons. The fruits are fresh and colorful. I choose some red apples, yellow bananas, and a big watermelon. I like to smell the fruits. They smell very good. Then, I put them in my shopping cart carefully. Next, I go to the vegetable section. I see tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and onions. I choose some red tomatoes, brown potatoes, and orange carrots. I like fresh vegetables for cooking. I put them in my cart one by one. After the vegetables, I go to the bread aisle. I choose one loaf of white bread. It smells very good. I put it carefully in my cart. Now I go to the dairy section. I see milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter. I take a carton of milk, a small cheese, and a pack of yogurt. I like dairy products because they're healthy and tasty. Next, I go to the meat section. I see chicken, beef, and fish. I choose some chicken pieces for my lunch. The meat looks fresh and clean. I put it in a small plastic bag and put it in my cart. After meat, I go to the snack and drinks aisle. I see chips, chocolate, cookies, and juice. I choose a small chocolate bar and orange juice. I put them in my cart. I also take a bottle of water. Now I go to the household items section. I see soap, detergent, toothpaste, and shampoo. I need toothpaste and shampoo. I take them and put them in my cart. After finishing shopping, I go to the checkout counter. I wait in line. I put all my items on the counter. The cashier scans each item. I see the total price on the screen. I pay with my card. The cashier says, "Have a nice day." I say, "Thank you." Now, I take my shopping bag and go home. I open the door and take the items inside. First, I put milk and cheese in the fridge. Next, I put fruits and vegetables in the fridge. I put bread in the bread box. I put chocolate and snacks in the cabinet. I put shampoo and toothpaste in the bathroom. After putting everything in place, I wash my hands. I feel happy because everything is clean and organized. Then I sit on the sofa and rest. I drink a glass of water and take a deep breath. I feel relaxed and comfortable. Today I bought healthy and tasty food. I also bought some small treats for myself. Shopping is sometimes fun and sometimes tiring, but I like it because I have everything I need at home. Thank you for listening. If you like slow and easy English like this, please like, subscribe, and write a comment for me. See you in the next video.